Hello Taurus, welcome to my channel and this is your monthly reading for August. August is already here, your cards are already out, so let's begin. Let's see what the cards are telling us. If you want to look for an in-depth reading of love and career, that's already uploaded on my channel. It's a weekly reading, so that will be more specific for that week. This is a general reading for Sun, Moon, Rising, Taurus. Remember that. So let's begin. In the first week, you've got the Pope and the Hermit card. I do see that some sort of truth is going to be revealed to you. Something which is not going to be pretty, something which might even hurt you. It could be that if you're trying to, for example, in your love life, looking for a partner, some truth will be revealed about them, which will force you to change your decision or opinion about them. Or some truth will be revealed about a friend or family who is trying to deceive you in some way, right? Career also, career, you will find out that somebody was lying to you, your own colleague, or somebody trying to snatch your business away from you or that promotion from you. Basically, you trusted someone and somebody um, was not good enough, right? This is a card of warning and caution to not trust people easily. Now, this truth will force you to isolate yourself and stop trusting people around you. You will go within, you will start trusting yourself within. You will start seeking answers from your own higher wisdom rather than the people around you. So be very, very careful while lending the money, while trusting the people, while finding the partner through somebody. Maybe the relatives that are involved have, some sort of foul play here, or it can be your own partner who's hiding something from you. So please be wary. First week will reveal some sort of truth, okay? And it can be shocking and can hurt as well. Yes, in the second week also you've got the Six of Spheres and the Devil card. Oh my God. See, the cards just doesn't lie. You have a very kind and giving energy. Like you have always given your best to, let's start with your love relationships, right? Personal relationships. You've always given your best. You could also be a person who believes in charity, feeding the animals or doing something for the old age or poor people. But people around you are toxic, right? Even if we talk about your career, there are people around you who are toxic. Like you've always been nice to people, your colleagues, your bosses, you've always given your 100%, but there is someone around you who has a devil energy. Devil energy is a very toxic energy. That means this person, no matter what you do, even if you give your whole property to them, they will still not be worthy of your trust. There is somebody who's abusing you, using you, trying to control you. They have no intention of committing to you or getting married to you. They have no intention of giving you the job. They have no intention of giving you that money back or that promotion. Or in your business partnership, this could be very much a person who's taking away all your clients. So be very, very careful. Like I said, trust your intuition. If your intuition tells you there is somebody around you who is pretending to be somebody they are not and you cannot trust this person, please cut this person off. The devil energy means that this person always will be a devil. They cannot be trusted. So whenever I sense this devil card in any reading, I suggest people to cut this person off immediately. Even if you're living under the same roof, stop talking to them, stop sharing anything with them. Your, property, your finances, your emotions, your secrets, stop it right now. Okay, because you are giving to this person, but they have absolutely no intention of returning that gesture back to you, and you will be your intuition will tell you who this person is. The third week you've got the Four of Moons and the Magician card. I do feel that somebody left you, abandoned you, or walked away from you. If I talk about your love relationships and you are trying to manifest this person back into your life, I do see that third week will give you a hope because your manifestation powers are very strong. You've got the Magician card. The Magician card talks about you having very powerful energies and you trying to manifest that person, right? In your career also, it could be that you lost an opportunity, you lost money, now you're trying to manifest it back. Now the only trick to manifest something is to be positive. If you're going to still be in that frustrated energy or hurt energy, you will never be able to manifest it, no matter how strong your manifestation powers are right now, right? So the trick is to keep on thinking positive around whether that's your personal life, whether that's an exam that you're waiting for, whether that's your professional life. Be positive if you want to manifest something. And I do see that you will be able to manifest a lot of it. Okay. Let's come to the last week of August now. You've got the Two of Moons and the Empress. You have very loving energies, Taurus. You have a lot of love to give. I do see that the person you're dealing with is not a bad person. It's just that they have high standards. So if you're looking for love, it could be that that person has certain standards and you will have to meet them, right? They could be out of your league, or they could be somebody who is not going to settle down with somebody who is not meeting that standard, whether that's in looks, whether that's in background, whether that's in money, whether that's in nature, whether you're loyal or not, right? Whether you have a giving nature or not, whatever, anything you can take what resonates with you. Everybody has their own standards, so you have to meet those standards, which means work hard towards this union. Okay, it could be that this is your energy, roles can be reversed at any time. It could be that in love you're still single, probably because you have high standards and you're not ready to lower them, and that's okay, that's fair enough, right? Let people come to that standard also. And why do you have those standards? Because you can give that much, right? Because you know that you will be able to give that kind of reciprocation to that person. So you want somebody who is more like you, and that's okay, that's fair enough. So your focus in the last week will be more on love, will be finding the right partner. And if you think that you are having problems in your love relationship, no matter what you do is less, it's just that your partner can have really high standards, and because they do a lot for you, they're expecting a lot for you from you this week. So please try to match their standards and level, so that this relationship is a happy union. Otherwise, there is a lot of love between the two of you. It's not the lack of love, but different standards that you have to meet, different love languages probably, right? Overall, if I see Taurus, your August month is going to be slightly challenging because there is a truth that's going to be revealed to you which can hurt you. There is also devil energy, which means toxic people. You are surrounded by toxic people, which you will have to identify and then cut off. So please take this as a warning, like an advance warning, to be very, very mindful of who you're trusting, and also to follow your intuition. Stay positive if you're trying to manifest something so that it reaches you faster. And yes, it's a positive reading, so you can comment, I claim this reading to manifest this reading to you guys. This was a general reading for Taurus Sun Moon Rising. If you have very specific questions on your mind which you would like to ask me, there is a description box mentioned below. It has all my services mentioned. My personal readings, if you want to ask one specific question of your choice, starts at 215 rupees. If you think you have more questions that you want to ask, the prices can go up. And if you want to go for a package, I have a package where fixed 4 questions are there. You can check out from my Instagram handle also. Otherwise, I'll send it to you when you DM me or email me. Every package is below 1000 rupees and it comes with a free remedy, a free blockage removal ritual worth rupees 251. So please check that out. That is, I would say, budget friendly. Also, I have spiritual counseling sessions, audio video call sessions as well. So if you think you need therapy, you need spiritual guidance, you feel very heavy in your heart, you need to share something, you can always come to me. With the help of your tarot cards, I'm going to guide you, and with the help of your spirit guides and guardian angels, I'm also going to give you a free remedy in spiritual counseling sessions as well. So check out the description box below. I have a lot of other services available, like a no contact love reading available, or a mystic red rose love reading available, right? Either you DM me on my Instagram handle, the Moksha Tarot, and please also follow me there so that you're more updated, and show some love to my new Instagram channel. Plus also subscribe to this video and channel so that you can get the notification in advance. Show some love to this channel also. I've specifically started the English channel for you guys. So take care of yourself. I hope you enjoyed this reading. I will see you very soon. Bye bye.